Hi people, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you were facing issues regarding Goldman Sachs engineering campus hiring program, and many of my friends were not able to apply for it online. I realized that they are not alone, and this is a quite tricky process that how to apply, and if you fill any of the detail wrong, you will not be eligible anymore. So I want you to pay quick attention to this video, and I hope this helps you. You will see this program for the interns for the people graduating in 2023 and full-time role for the people graduating in 2022. The location is Bangalore, India, and applications are open from 22 July to August 15. Okay, the problem is all the details are given here on this website, eligibility and everything, but the problem is when you are going to apply 2022 summer internship program, here's the button for it, register. It takes you to this page. Thank you for considering a career at Goldman Sachs. And now you are confused that how to apply when I can't see any program. And if you see, to begin your application, select one of our program. If you click here, you see only these three roles and not the campus hiring program. So there is a proper way to apply to this internship, and there are a lot of things to be taken care of. If you fill any of the detail incorrectly, you will not be considered as for the role of intern. So firstly, you have to choose the first option, summer associate intern programs. You go there, and now you see this. Here you have to click to apply, and you see this coming here. We have noticed that you are trying to apply for the combination position, that is not so. This thing, why this is coming, because I have already applied for a internship program. So maybe you have not applied for this internship particularly, but if you have applied for any other internship previously, it shows this thing. So what you have to do is you have to go to your applications and review their status and withdraw all the previous applications that you had. So while I was having this issue, I asked one of my seniors who is actually working at Goldman Sachs, and she told me this way. Okay, so this is what you can do. Else, what other thing you can do is log out from this email ID, register from a new email ID, any alternate ID you might have. Register from a new email ID. Now you can go to the programs here. You have to select the first option, summer associate internships and stuff. Go to the apply, and here you can see the form. Okay, now you can see the form. Now recruiting year, because you are going to get the internship next year, that is 2022. So you have to put the recruiting year 2022. What position you are applying to? You are applying to summer internships. So as you are graduating in 2023 and you want an internship, you should put summer analyst. So you have to put summer analyst. Then you have to choose a location. Now in India there are various locations, Bangalore, Mumbai. So if you search, there is Mumbai also. So if you by chance choose Mumbai, you will get these divisions and then various other subdivisions. Okay, but you don't have to choose Mumbai, you have to choose only Bangalore. So when you will choose Bangalore, you will get an option, you will get all these different options, engineering and all that stuff, and here you will get engineering campus hiring program. Choose that and then choose the general subdivision, and now you can put all the details and fill all the form with all your details. And then finally when you will get it, you will see a message like this: application for 2022 India Bangalore engineering campus hiring program, summer analyst, application is received. So this is how you have to do this. So this is a proper way. Also you can download this FAQ document from the website. I will provide the link in the description. So here you can see all the details about it, and here they have provided you all the details that how you have to register for the program. So for example, they have in the question 6, how do I register for internships, they have told you all the steps that you have to follow, and same for the full-time role. Okay, and even if you feel any difficulty, you can just ask them on this email ID and you will be sorted out. Also, I want to tell you all about Educare 2021 application. It is open for the third year and the second year girl students, and you can fill the form. The link is in the description. And here there were some confusions about the who are eligible and who are not. Computer science and related branches means computer and IT. So EC is not applicable. So one of my friends actually go ahead and mailed them, I am a EC student, am I eligible? And this is their reply: thank you for the query, but since your background does not match the criteria, you are unfortunately not eligible. So ECE is not eligible. Also another thing is, as you might be thinking ki you have to tell your current semester and give the results of the previous semester. So now you are currently in 5th semester, but your results is of last result is of 3rd semester. So what do I do? So I also asked this to a official, and they told me that just put 5th semester as your current semester, because it is going to start at early, and it is going to start early. And then as the grade for the previous semester, put the grades for your 3rd semester. It's okay. And for the second year students who might have not gotten their grades for the first year, you can just write 0 there and then mail them that you haven't got any grades till now. Okay, and I hope you found out what you were looking for. I will see you all super soon.